Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add drop-down list in Excel. When you're using an Excel and you have to add values, if the values are repeating, so you have to write again and again. But there's the easiest way to do it, which is creating a drop-down list that I'll show you in this video. First, you have to open the Excel and make sure you have added the data. Normally, what we do is when we have to add any value, we write it. But if the values are too much, there's so much data, it will take hours and hours to write every value. So what you can do is create a drop down list like pass, fail, on, all, or maybe for sizes like small, large, extra large, these values. So what you have to do is first you have to remove the content in which you want to create a drop down list. So simply select that whole area, do a right click, and then you will see the option for clear content. Click onto it, and after that, the content will get cleared. Now you have to simply select all those cells in which you want to create a drop down list. Then on the top, you can see this option called data. Click onto it. Then after that, the new options will come up, and there we have this option called data validation. Then you will see this pop-up will come. Here we have this option called allow and underrate any value is written. You have to click onto it and then you have to click on list. And after that you have to add those values that you want to add in the drop down list. It could be anything. In my case, I'm writing pass, fail and on hold. But you can go with the options that you need. Once you're done typing, then you have to click on OK. As you click on OK, then you have to go to the cells and there you will see a drop down list will be created. Then you can click onto that drop down icon and select the option that you want to add. So that's how you can add a drop down list in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.